The Faisal Mosque, known as Faisal Masjid in Urdu, is an iconic symbol of Islamabad and holds great significance in Pakistan's history. It was named after King Faisal bin Abdulaziz of Saudi Arabia, who financed its construction. Here's a brief history. Initiation. The idea for the mosque began during King Faisal's visit to Pakistan in 1966 where he expressed interest in funding a national mosque for Islamabad Squared. Design competition in 1969 an international competition was held to select the design of the mosque. Architects from 17 countries submitted 43 proposals. Architect. The winning design was by Turkish architect Vedat Dalakay squared. Construction. Construction started in *1976 and was completed in *1986 squared. Architecture. The mosque's design is modern, with 8 sides of concrete shell inspired by a Bedouin tent, and lacks a traditional dome squared.